be seeing the animals of Africa. And this is Serengeti and Ngorongoro National Park. This is the town of Musi. And right now here we are in Uhuru Garden Court. We will be eating our first local delicious steak. This is awesome! And that is Erica from
Hi, the Philippines.
the Philippines. Oh my gosh. This is the Majimoto Boardwalk Way. This is actually the Lake Mainara, and if you cross the lake itself, you can just walk. The depth is about knee high. So from here, let's say you want to cross over to the other side, you can just walk easily. But then there's a lot of animals. I guess not very sure if people really do that. So it's very huge. It's like a sea, but this is actually lakes.
careful. He got the mother, not the father.
Mahal.
Look how he put the trunk
In head.
on the backward.
Hey guys, we're heading into Ngorongoro, and right here we stop at the bank. Hello, Jumbo.
Like your phone though.
Oh, Jumbo. I'm doing videos.
Thank you.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm very good.
So what place is this here?
This is called Karatu.
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 All right. Okay,
Yeah.
very nice place.
Very, very nice place.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. So will you send that to me later?
Sure. You sure?
Thank you. Yeah. You have like business card?
This is Ngorongoro Gate, so we will be going inside. This is the Tanzanian, one of the Tanzanian National Park. Wow.